guys, welcome to Dominik's Adventures. Today I'm here with Damian. Say hi.
Hi.
So I'm gonna make this,
The science kit.
the science clip. So on here, you make the stuff, and then it's really flowing to make that one. So let's get started.
Okay, right here is the extreme glue. Right here. We can make that, or we can make the crystal over here.
Yeah, I want to make the crystal.
Crystals. Or right here we can make the colorful volcano.
I want to do that
Charging
one.
volcano.
I want to do that one. The blue. I want to do this one.
Here. Okay. Let's open it.
Okay. Let's open it because I'll open it because it's my channel. I think it has something. Oh, there we go. So here's the instructions. Here's the thing. Nothing else.
And that's it.
Yeah. Let's open
That's
it.
it.
So here. So look it.
Okay. Let's open these tools.
No, we need to show them, Damian. Show them.
Okay, we have two.
Yep.
We have two more. We have 3 cups. We have one drop. Dropper.
Pipette.
Like a dropper. No?
Pipette.
Oh, pipette. Like holders for the clips. Like this. You put them like that.
Okay.
A spoon,
Spoon.
some sticks,
Look.
some powder. Yeah, powder. Or maybe for the volcano. And some more. Some quickies. Q-tips. This one has like something inside. I can't tell. More powder. Another spoon. More powder. And more powder. Okay.
Let's get started, guys.
So which one do you guys want to do first?
The volcano.
The volcano.
No, that one's, I picked that one.
Yeah, we're gonna do it together.
You need the first plastic cup. Put 4 large scoops of baking soda. Baking soda should be in one of these little powder right here. Baking, yeah, 3 large scoops. So in the baking powder, we're gonna do 4 large scoops. Go get scissors. There should be some.
No, I have one. No, I will do it. 'Cause you have
Right there. There you go. Okay, get 4 scoops and put it.
Okay.
This cup.
Oh, put it in this cup. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Grab 4 scoops and put it in this cup. 3. Okay. And one more.
4.
There.
Okay, now you need 1 large scoop of flour.
Okay.
I'll do that. Okay. Okay, it's my turn because you didn't let me do it. And what's in
And 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder.
I have it.
Oh, that's weird.
That one is in a Ziploc.
Huh?
That one is in a Ziploc.
Let me see.
You're gonna do 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder.
Okay, small scoop. Small scoop of red cabbage. Okay. I got one.
Okay, and then you're gonna get the stick and stir them.
Okay.
I want to do it together.
You're gonna get one big scoop of water. Go. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we're gonna mix it.
I think I need one more.
Dump it onto the plate and turn it into a volcano. Use your fingers.
I want to touch. I want to touch.
Yeah. No, volcano.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Fill up a cup
With water?
with water about right here.
Okay. Let's see. So like right here?
A little bit lower.
Okay, so right here. Okay, so
One large scoop of red powder.
okay, one large scoop. Where's the large? Okay, let's try this now. Like that. Cool.
Let me see.
Stir it. Stir it.
It's turning red already. Damian, get yours. I can help.
And then Damian filled another cup with about the same amount of water as you did right now.
Okay.
Look, guys. It's turning red now.
Okay, there you go.
Nice and safe.
1 cup of water.
And then fill 4 scoops of citric acid. 4 large scoops of citric acid.
Oops, it's red.
Red citric acid.
Yeah.
Daddy, it's already red.
There.
Okay. I'll stir that one, Dominic.
Red.
The citric acid.
Let's do it.
Slow, okay?
Then put the volcano
And here.
In the middle.
in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, for now, put it.
And then you're gonna want to pour
Okay,
some
Dominic,
of
move.
The red one.
pour some of the red one
Okay.
onto the plate. No, you're supposed to pour it like this, around the base of the volcano.
So you do it like this.
So like on the volcano.
Little island right there.
Little tiny island.
Of nowhere.
Okay, and then with your pipette, you want to draw some of the citric acid into and pour it on. Put it into the middle of the volcano.
So like, just get the small.
Pipette is that one over there.
Oh, this one. Okay, how much?
Just a few drops. You can scoop in as much as you want.
Just a few drops.
Into the middle of the volcano.
1, 2, 3. Oh,
That's a weird one.
that's weird.
Poke a hole through the middle with the stick.
Okay. Oh,
Now,
that's
Siri.
cool. Let's do this again. One more time. That was cool.
Yeah.
Putting too much. Just a few drops.
That much?
Mm-hmm.
There.
We touch it now.
No. And you can keep doing that until the volcano dissolves by itself.
Into the volcano.
Yeah.
The volcano will slowly just disappear.
Can I use all of it? Okay. Experiments. This is.